What's going on, guys? Markie Williams from the YouTube channel Online Certification Course. Are you ready to get your brand up and running on all social media platforms? If so, the certification course is for you. Learn how to get those likes, those follows, those shares of your content out to the right people from the right people. So go ahead and check this tutorial out, but first show love to my intro. Are you looking to grow your own brand through social media? Having trouble gaining followers who like, comment, and share your content? Not really sure how to increase your presence on social media? Whatever your motivation to start and increase your brand on social media, you come to the right place. Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Markie Williams, and welcome to my channel Online Certification Course. Enjoy the tutorial. The links will be down in the description below, along with a bonus link. Please make sure you like if this tutorial was informative, subscribe so you won't miss out on any training courses you may want to pick up, and comment below as to what you would like to get certified in, and I can send you a link personally to check out. So let's get started. So if you got past my intro, that means you're ready to get more business leads using Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, Google+, and even live streaming. This course will show you how to build connections with customers via social media outlets. You'll learn how to drive sales, attract new customers, and master social media the right way. Social media sites such as Periscope, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, Pinterest, Google+, all have thousands of customers waiting for you, and this online course will show you how to grab their attention. The objective is to be everywhere. This certification course will help you create, unify, front, and gain followers across all social media channels. First, the introduction to social media marketing strategies, then it will break out to the specific platforms I have mentioned above. You will learn the power of a customer engagement and how to achieve it. Discover the power of business branding. The key is to create a brand that is consistent across all channels. There will be a lecture on business patience, live stream marketing. The target audience for this certification course is someone with 1,000 or less followers, or a business owner who want to get building a social media following, whether it be large or small. Set up business accounts with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn. Create a logo, cover image, and build consistency across all social media. Students will need a website. I recommend Bluehost or HostGator. Students should purchase optimized press plugins for WordPress. Many thanks for checking out my tutorial. Make sure you like, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any training courses you may want to pick up. Reply down below done and I'll get back to you. You can always reach out to me and comment also as to what you want to get certified in. I can personally send you a link to check out. Make your way over there to Facebook, Markie Williams, and also got an online certification course page there you can check out as well. So many thanks once again, Markie Williams. Oh yeah, make sure you check out the tutorial over here as well. You'll find it very informative. So do your thing, Markie Williams. Now I'm out.